My journey at Flinders started over 20 years ago as a PhD student, evolving into a postdoctoral researcher in the discipline of clinical pharmacology. Little did I know that my true discovery was teaching. At that time, my institution offered me opportunities to pursue my yet undiscovered passion for teaching in vastly different teaching areas, from the Flinders Foundation Studies program and undergraduate teaching in medical science to over a decade's contribution to active problem-based learning in the graduate medical program. And I loved it. I teach specialist medical science topics such as human physiology and skills for medical scientists to hundreds of undergraduate students. I led the development, implementation and national accreditation of Flinders' new medical science laboratory medicine degree, including South Australia's first associate degree in laboratory medicine. I'm driven by a passion to support students learn complex threshold concepts, and I've transformed medical science education through innovative and imaginative approaches to curriculum and assessment design. My physiology laboratories use advanced digital learning technology, transforming student experience by replacing didactic, lecture-based classes with active learning opportunities. Students can work together cooperatively with educational technology that uniquely digitises their biological signals. When learning wet lab skills, those which graduates would take into their careers as medical researchers or hospital medical scientists, students engage with real-life clinical scenarios and open access digital resources that support learning of scientific skills and techniques. To support students in regional placements, I've worked with Public Pathology in South Australia to connect Flinders to their regional scholarships program. I strongly believe that supporting students in regional placements will help bolster the regional workforce for diagnostic pathology. A true highlight for me has been expanding my network to develop the Medical Science Laboratory Medicine program that I co-designed with colleagues and industry. The transformative changes that I've seen in students' learning journeys and their career successes are the most rewarding part of what I do. I've expanded and disseminated my teaching practice and continue to draw on the evidence of effectiveness and impact from my teaching practice, aiming to inspire learning in the next generation of medical scientists.
Voula's teaching is quite different to a lot of other lecturers. It's not the traditional in a lecture theatre taking notes. It's very collaborative, it's very active in your learning, and what you're learning you apply in practical classes as well. So by the end of the topic, things are cemented in your head.
She's very passionate and she's very welcoming, and she's always got time for students.
I feel that Voula really cares about students and really wants to foster all of their opportunities within their university degree as well as their future opportunities career-wise.
She provides leadership and guidance in how we can improve our educational practice and how we can develop ourselves as educators. And she's a high-level teacher who not only benefits her students but benefits the staff around her.
Voula's leadership has been frankly inspirational. I couldn't think of anyone better to lead a team in this new area.